Clinton. Go there, Nate. Go there. Go there with Clinton. Ba. Naka-on kasi yung flashlight ko, guys. Ayan. Okay. Hi. Hi, guys. Welcome back to our channel. What we are waiting for, Kuya?
For them to light up the Christmas tree.
Yeah. Tapos, ayan. Umiinom kami ng chocolate milk habang naghihintay.
Oh, that's just, yeah.
Pivot! We are watching fire! Hello, guys! What are you eating? Are you eating cookie? Say, I'm eating cookie!
They have to start with gas or something.
Fire!
Just run some.
It's raining! It's raining!
I
Say hi, guys! Ayan, Daddy and Nathan. Nathan with his daddy. Hi, Nathan! Hi, Nathan! So, ayan guys, 10 minutes na lang at mag-uumpisa na ang tree lighting. Ayan.
It's okay.
okay.
Say hi! Hi, guys! Say hi, guys!
Wait, guys.
Cookie, Nate. You eat it?
Charlie!
You drop it?
Baby cookie. Charlie! Baby cookie.
And tragic as the event as that was for us, the community has really come around and supported us. Either by coming to the farmers market and making donations there, or by coming to the pancake breakfast that the fire department put on, and just the outpouring of support.
Merry Christmas! Oh my God, it's raining! Go there, Kuya. Go to the Christmas tree, but don't touch it, okay? Don't touch it, Kuya. Just look. Ayan, umuulan, guys. So, hindi kami magtatagal dito kasi umuulan. So, ayan ang Christmas tree. So, ayan. Tapos may banda doon. Hi, Nathan! Hi, Pot! Hi, Kuya!
I just lean around it.
Yep.